5-star copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer. Alpha 3 rounds. AT delay in effect. 3 guns. Bravo 2 rounds. 2 guns. Smoke on effect.
Good morning. It is 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5/12/2021, Wednesday morning. This is Options Millionaire, your host. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and join my channel. And today we are looking at a bit of a red day, a little bit of bloodbath, as opposed to, or as conjunction with yesterday. As all eyes today will be on the CPI, the Consumer Price Index. A couple of things I'm looking at today. We're going to go over yesterday's chart, today's chart, and anticipate today's chart. See what moves we can make to compound on our amazing gains yesterday. Best thing, the only thing better than 1 day of profits is 2 days in a row of profits. So that's what we're going to try to do. Currently looking around the market here, the bond futures are up 2.2%. CPI is expected to come out at 8:30 Eastern Time, which is 7:30 Central. So it's about an hour and 10 minutes. So that's going to be a huge eyes-on factor coming up here. Wonder what that is, and I'll talk a little bit more about that later. Looking around the market here, VIX is up 222.57, which is up 3%. FANG, all of FANG is roughly down 5% or 0.5%, fluctuating a little bit here and there. XLF is down 1.77, which is a key indicator for me, which here is the financial sector. They're down 1.7%, and the VIX is up, which means volatility is coming to the downside, the negative side. So I think this could be the day that SPY tops bust 410 and below. And if it busts 410, I think 408, and then 404 is in our future. So this is all contingent on the CPI. If the CPI comes out way better than expected, scenario changes, and we'll play that as it comes. But right now, I'm anticipating it worse than expected CPI. CPI comes out at 8:30 Eastern Time. That is expected to be 3.6%, which will be the highest single gain in an entire decade, in 10 years. Since September of 2011, it'll be the highest gain. And even some analysts are saying it's going to be worse than 3.6. I don't know if all y'all have been shopping. We all know prices are going up. And Yellen and Powell have been coming out and saying, oh, no, inflation ain't going to happen. And if it does, it'll only be transitory and a temporary adjustment to cool down a hot economy. No, it ain't going to happen. This is not transitory. Everyone knows everything has gone up in price big time. Everything. Lumber, electrical supplies, plumbing supplies, consumer goods, industrial goods, construction goods, everything. So that will be the key indicator. And the key thing we're looking at, if it is worse than expected, definitely I'll be taking puts right at the open and seeing where things go there. So I'll be a little bit more patient than I was yesterday. Yesterday I took a little too early, jumped the gun, although still made 20%. I could have made a lot more. I'll be a little bit more patient today, although if it is worse than expected, I don't expect as much buying as we had yesterday. So this might be one of those buy it, just wait for our profits to come and move on. So anyway, that is the market. I'm just going to take a brief look at the charts here. RSI divergence on the 1 year, that's been forming for a couple of days now. Squeeze momentum is cooling. I'm going to jump straight to the daily. Nothing's different on the 3-month chart. And switch to the 5-minute. And this is the 5-minute here. So yesterday we made, I'll do another video on those trades. I have a lot of people ask me to go over the trades I made yesterday. Made a winning trade here, and then winning trade here. Or this one here. This one was a little too big, so I made one here. So yeah, max price and volume line is right there, which we're hovering right around. We currently dip below. We're currently right now at 412.30, which is busting right through this price volume here and headed down. Next volume is going to be 410, and if we pop that, 408.36 is going to be the next support. So I'll be watching that closely. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got for you. I'm expecting a pretty red day, but once again, it's all based on the CPI, which I expect to be bad. If it's good, we'll reevaluate, but I'm expecting it to be bad. That's all I've got. It's about 6:23 Central Standard Time. About 2 hours, 10 minutes till the open. I'm Options Millionaire. Thanks for being here. If you're not part of the Discord, join. A lot of great people. A lot of people in there that are even smarter than me to learn from, learn and grow. You can post any questions that you have to me, or you can shoot me a DM. Email me at optionsmillionaire2020@gmail.com. You can also join the TikTok and Instagram accounts. I also have my Twitters now up and running, so you can join Twitter, which is Options Millionaire. And then, of course, like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of cool stuff coming out here that's going to help change a lot of lives educationally. I'm going to be putting out a lot of stuff that's dependent on my system, as well as options trading in general, stock trading in general, and then some financial freedom stuff that's going to help you budget and change your life. So anyway, thanks for being here. Let's make some money today. Make smart decisions. If you didn't make any money yesterday, please learn from your mistakes and change that thing and make some money today. If you did make money, let's make it 2 days in a row. The only thing better than 1 day of trading, 1 day of profitable trading, is 2 days in a row of profitable trading. So let's go out there, go forth and conquer, adapt, improvise, overcome, and make some money. Thanks for being here. See you.